Today I will show you how to connect keyboard to Signal RGB, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now connecting your keyboard to Signal RGB is typically a simple process. Now this is provided your device is supported. Peripherals like keyboard usually do not need manual configuration with the software. Now the first step you're going to do is, before starting, you're going to uninstall all other manufacturer RGB software and then restart your computer. This is because running multiple RGB apps simultaneously can cause conflicts and detection issues. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to download the RGB software, and you're going to ensure that you run as administrator. Please ensure that you download the actual software from the RGB website, official website itself. Now once that's done, you're going to ensure that your keyboard is properly connected to your computer, and you're going to launch the Signal RGB software. Now once you do that, your supported keyboard should be automatically detected and appear in the devices tab, and it should have the default color scheme. If you have the right keyboard but you're not being able to detect it in the Signal RGB software, what you're going to do is you're going to check for conflicting processes that are running on your computer by opening Windows Task Manager, and you're going to click on End Task, and you're going to kill the task. The other thing you can also do is you can update the keyboard firmware. Ensure that your keyboard's firmware is up to date using the manufacturer softwares first. And just to be safe, you can uninstall and reinstall the software again. And if you're still having the problem, you can check your computer and use a different port to connect your keyboard. Now that's how to connect keyboard to Signal RGB. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until the next one, see ya.